Have you or a loved one been looking for a solution to that loud snoring during the night? My Snoring Solution could be the answer. Having been featured on the television series My American Medical Review, My Snoring Solution is a chin strap that has become a popular way to help prevent snoring. By using My Snoring Solution to keep the lower jaw in an upward and forward position, the three-dimensional space in your airway is increased. Therefore, you can breathe easier, free from restrictions, and snoring is eliminated. If you're not sure if My Snoring Solution is the right solution for you, then check out some reviews of the product left by actual consumers. At Anti-Snoring Reports, not only will you find a high-quality My Snoring Solution review, but by scrolling down to the bottom of the page, you can see reviews from snorers just like yourself. So click the link below and check out what others are saying. My Snoring Solution. Is it your snoring solution too? For more information, visit antisnoringreports.com/mysnoring solution today.